Gordon guitar, of course. We have Matoma here featuring J.P. Cooper with the cool song Midnight Sun. So an up-tempo song, and it's pretty easy to play as well. We love that. So let's start right away. No need for any cape on this one. We have 6 different chords. Let's start and look at these chords. First, G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next is E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have next the B minor. So that's a bar on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings like this. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have next A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And these 4 chords, G, E minor, B minor, and A, in that order would be pretty much 90% of the song. But we need to add in also next 2 chords, which is the D. We can start with D. So that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord will be D, but with an F sharp in the bass. So like that, it will be 2nd on E, and the next string, you can play it open, the A, or you can mute it with your finger you're holding on the 2nd E, just lean it on top of the A and get that sound. Not beautiful, but it's muted. So you can mute it or play it open. The next will be open D, then 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. There you have the 6 chords. So let's start with the first verse. Like I said, G, E minor, B minor, and A, that will be a huge part of the song. And you will play that to begin with here in the first verse. Just play 1 down per chord and do that for 2 chord progression rounds. So G, E minor, B minor, and then A. Do that for 2 rounds, and that is the first verse. And that takes us to the pre-chorus. There were bones in my garden, so that's where we are in the lyrics. Now, continue with the same chord progression, G, E minor, B minor, and A. Now you will play down clap 1 time per chord. So like this. You play that for 2 rounds, and that is the pre-chorus. Then comes the chorus. And here we need to look at the strumming pattern. And this strumming pattern with this chord progression will be a huge part of the rest of the song, okay? So it will start here in the first chorus. Since G is the first chord, we'll look at the G chord and the strumming pattern. So the pattern will be pretty much 5 downs in total. It's a certain rhythm here for the song. So it goes like this. So it's down, 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 and then you shift immediately to the next chord here. So in a context with this chord progression, G, E minor, B minor, and A, it will be like this. So that is 5 downs per chord in that rhythm. And you know what? We don't have to go through the different parts. It will play like this through the first chorus, the second verse, pre-chorus, third chorus, second chorus, I forgot counting there, all the way to about 2 minutes and 8 seconds into this song. After the second chorus comes a bridge part, and now this is where you need the extra chords D and the D F chord. Okay, so now you will play just one down per chord, but this is also a certain rhythm here for this bridge part. You will play the chord progression E minor, the D F chord, and G, and then short break, and then B minor, D, A. That is the chord progression, one round. You will play that for 4 rounds. One down per chord, and it will sound like this. Okay, so E, D, F, G, B minor, D, A, E, D, F, G, B minor, D, A. So you play the first chord, E minor with a break, then 2 fast chords, break, and then B minor, break, D, A, break, E minor, break, D, F, G, break, B minor, break, D, A, break. Like that, alright? You play that chord progression for 4 rounds, and then you go back to play the down, 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 down for the first chord progression, the G, E minor, B minor, and A. You play that for 4 rounds, and that will be how you handle the song Midnight Sun from Matoma and JP Cooper, and that is how it ends. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope to see you soon. Thumb up, leave a comment, and sayonara. Play tuned.